Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. White to play and win this position, and white's pawn is moving upward in this direction and black's pawn is moving downward in this direction. White is playing to win, but white must find the only winning move, and a strong player should find the only winning move. So guys, you can pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So we have two rocks and black has two rocks and a pawn, and we have a pawn as well, so it's unequal in material, right? And both pawn reach the last step, and they are going to promote after a move away, and it's look like equal, but it's not equal. White is winning, and we have a couple of moves to try. First off, this rook is undefended, we can simply capture that. However, if we capture the rook, black would play f1 queen, and this is a check. We have to move the king, and what black do is this is going to be very bad for us, right? Black is going to give us a check, and eventually black is going to capture the king, right? Wherever the king moves, it doesn't really matter. Black is going to capture to checkmate the black king, right? So this move doesn't work. So what else can we play? Well, we don't have that much option, right? If we play king to e2, that is going to be even dumber, because notice the pawn is defended by the rook on f8 as well, so it becomes a queen with check, and that is going to be very bad for us, right? So the first move is not a king move, right? So what else can we do with the other pieces? Well, if we play a b8 queen, what black is going to do is play rook to g1, and once again we have to move the king, and black would get a queen with check, and now black would give us a checks, and even black can capture our queen, and this is simply completely winning for black, because black have extra queen, right? So that is actually not the correct move. Queening is not the correct move. But how about rook to a8? What would happen if we play rook to a8? That looks promising, and it's better move than the rest. And if black captures, we simply capture that with a queen, even a rook, and that would be simply just checkmate. However, black obviously is not going to capture our rook. What black can do is simply continue with previous idea, giving a check and promoting to a queen, and now once again black have a queen, which means it's going to be a losing for us, right? So whatever we play, it doesn't matter that much, right? So black is going to find a way to checkmate the white king, right? These pieces are too dangerous, and we don't have any active piece except the rocks, and that wouldn't be enough, right? So all of these moves don't work. So what is the move actually? Well, the correct move is rook to f7, sacrificing the rook. So what is the idea? Well, the first idea is to interrupt the connection between the pawn and the rook, so that the pawn is not defended by the rook anymore, right? So we can capture this, we can capture the rook, and the pawn cannot be promoted because there is no defense for the pawn, and we simply capture it, right? So that is the first purpose. And the second purpose is, if black captures this, there would be no defender for the promotion square, so we would simply promote to a queen, and there is no thing that black can do. We simply capture this rook with check, and we are going to capture the rook and the pawn, right? So this is once again completely winning. So these are the two ideas that we have in our mind, and black can do a couple of things, right? So I showed you what would happen if black captures the rook, but what would happen if black completely ignores our sacrifice and move on, right? Like this. This doesn't work as well because we simply capture black's rook and black has no way of winning this, right? So if this, we simply push and promote, and this is a check, so black king must move, and if black just get in front of the pawn, we have two rocks, right? We think we can actually play here pinning the rock, and we are winning. So at every scenario we would win. And if this, we simply capture the pawn, and this is going to be tricky. So if black captures this, what we are going to do is simply capture the rook with our king, and we are going to promote the pawn on the next move, right? So even if black moves the king out of the promotion square, we simply promote anyway. The rook is defended by the queen, and if black defends the promotion square, we are going to pin the rook with the king, and that is going to be a win as well. So what other options does black have? Well, black can actually capture our rook. So in this position, what do you think the best move? If you'd like to pause again. Well, the best move is to push and promote to a queen, right? So here, if black hides to g8, we actually can capture the rook and win this rook, and we are going to win the pawn as well. So that is going to be very fine for us. If black moves this instead, what we are going to do is we can actually not capture the rook for free, and we wouldn't worry about anything. We have a queen, right? So this is it, and this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.